energy yedi ishiamu our porcupine stand here on YouTube with Selbert. Ghana FA Cup quarter final. Ekoso dendending. Na enra athram the VC ebon homoden eche klaba your friend Park Academy eche park on penalties. Enumere no ena brekum Chelsea Steven Amankona ebon homoden Amankona esi from Emma Chelsea eso etimi share club your friend Bechem United by 1-0. So at the end of the game, two teams see etimi abomoding are qualified to the next stage of the competition. I know a young come other matches ne twaso ne Karela United were against Golden Kicks. Now, before that, Crop ya Kumasi ASANTE youth team no at the match so. At the end of 90 minutes, and a Kotoko team no coach ni say changes kakra. Seidu Mohammed and a da post mu. Na when your branch your friend God bless AMOAH. Luis Figo Kwabna. Hey, so better my bro. Me kaisa Kotoko youth team on register players and me coffee fair din buy. Na me can Luis Figo. Hey, obedo boa. Ya men hu yen na mo. Jordan Amisa, Techi Addison, Isaka Abdul, Luis Asante, Nana Yao Boahin. Yes. Lawson Menu Jr. on the dash screen is on. Dr. Lawson Nebano. Lawson Menu Jr. or the screen is so. Bismarck Ofori and Vitus Avoka. Wemo, Edemrantia, starting at the ASANTE Koroko. Kaya, made a 20 man squad, youth team players ni bebre. Come back to the youth team because technical team no omo ball babaya for the first time. And they will love to give these youth team players an opportunity or babaya and to share. Avoka call back Obenya Brantia your friend Isaka Abdul call back Solomon Kwekusa at the bench Nana Yao Boahin APMO youth team ho Ali Mohammed APMO ho Swati Asie and a Jordan and Misa a PMO ho to Godfred Kodua and a young hunu ewo game. Apart from that, all the 6 youth team players are any chance. Every more ASANTE Koroko team na nkasa no nyina call back. I know the Fioba. Goal scorers. Number 9 shirted Isaka Abdul. About hat-trick. Techi Addison. About 2 goals at the count. Jordan and Misa share back and a Lawson Menu Jr. Ono so de ba account. Na no crane say GFA happy hour no. Eho be hia say impenifo be san ye ho adwuma bi. GFA happy hour. No crane say ne even at 12 o'clock na ASANTE Koroko youth team ni mpo no. Na attendance was stadium no form pop. Na wo form just say yema obrea rest stance honey green stance wa penifo bia tum say no na ye free for happy hour no ubetimi akan nipa na was stadium ho at that time and I red any green no ye bia tum na say happy hour no intimi happy and intimi mfa I know ye di free oba. But away from that, the good news is that youth team of ASANTE Koroko looks bright. Yes. We a Division 3. But me no me anubedi adance yes and ke start Division 3. And Kotoko lose. Win, draw, lose. Kebe kan wasem say what kind of scouting and Asante Kotoko ye. Banyame adom. Within a short period, and a Kotoko bia or support to senior team in Mpono. Your names of some of the youth team players are enyen di afe. You bet me a bomb din at the acasem. Yen you Biakran Isaka Abdul Daskin and Obo hat trick. He's a proper number 9. Techia destiny nya senior team ni murai bo pomodin pa. Lawson Menu Jr. Manfudin Wadas. And one thing about the Kotoko youth team is that they rotate the players. The most match will be match will be, but the reason is that as a so bienya boni bibo. It's about players development. Penifweni ambre say develop players. Inti youth team no omni starting 11 air constant starting 11 they be away mu na ebo. And we be bo. Inti ebo abo se Solomon Sa betena bench. Bo se Ali Mohammed te bench. Bo se Razak Dauda te bench. Ebo abo se even Luis Asante. That boy called Luis Asante. A man for him on the number 10 JC, you know. Walai. That sad Luis Asante boy, you know. It's been a chance. So all lidi ababe bobo na makotoko no. Once and ba mo be pamano no. But you meso. Luis Asante, wonderful player. Piabo my friend uchabo denche. Ya hypo kotoko I knew be a hypo no. But he's a good player, number 10 JC no. Enti Sempane Ohono no. Razak Dauda on the 11 JC. Where screen that was on the 11 and one started. My catcher said coach ni rotate on. And so be anya bibo. Send you be abenya playing time for the development of the players. Nti almost share 7. Almost share 7-1. And no young komo ewo. Almost share 6-1. Almost share 7-1. Any idea actually so mo bomb them pa. The future looks bright. We have photo shoot on my players no. If you are my players neda omunta di shim. Kemere bi atwam Kotoko youth team unta di shim bon sen Kenya papa ba we share picture desk so say apart from Photoshop ayaya ma kama ye design boys ni profile spread your pictures ama akosoro no. Omo bobo ano he omunta di shim na do say look at this. Senior team ni di eni bia na omo she. And so ya dia ba ko e say the team is serious about them. Krura mo bass the movement any ade nyina which is something positive for the Asante Kotoko youth team. Enti coach Imoro Ibrahim on say was na sorry because of a year David Okru corner ko no ama was center share a year senior team no Timoro enene first game of Babara o match 7 yanko other news Kotoko enumre a ball against true democracy. Na maybe point I can't say you see. We admire the kind of comments I'm in a deba so. But best ceremony. In the air on this very channel. As way my camera can be Nyoma ekoso Kotoko training grounds in terms of the strategy and tactics of the team. See a presentation. I can tell you we introduce less than 5% away in common. And sometimes it's quite painful. You say we are seeing ambo abaso. No, we'll be antimimbo abaso. Why I will be ambo abaso. But sometimes mumu be commenting create impression say I say you know how to manage information. And I say bibi ebe hu bi eka. Let me be emphatic with you. The same people who complain say a day before a game, my bed 10 players, and 2 days before a game, put me my bed 10 players ever starting. These are the same people. See, foreign news are they are happy when you are dropping the possible 11 and the strategy and detailed analysis of our favorite club in Europe. So yes, our analysis not many adje. But the Drew Kotoko so na kaso Patrick Asiedu bobo on it say saying a coach ni person oyenti who say coach he tries to be training no to improve this aspect of his game. Obi say hey they ntino akasa asem no. Say coach person improve Patrick Asiedu. Why are you talking about it? Somebody will come and tell you, and at the internet saw the possible 11 neighbor. Go and read Sky Sports. Read ESPN articles. The analyst. Total football analysis. Those websites, read it. They can pick teams profiling and give statistics. I can't see any statistics on touches, on control. They can list the 4 weaknesses with statistics on how to stop Hansi Flick and his Barcelona team. With maps on the count analysis. Opino to the whole world. They do that, and we are happy when Obi yes analysis. But how do you have a kotoko the now cast oh? Me who say kotoko ball no muboni say omuye ni so be say I don't one before the game. What do we mean? If it be match preview, you could man kwa na born say who preview club the modern ball. We've been to Kotoko training grounds. Almost spend 2 days working on set pieces. You can't want some on this platform. Set pieces, corner. Now coach Ogumu chere boys no corner no. Omo stop omo mboni say. Get me corner be the whole day. The umbe kicking off. If you 4 versus 3, how to score goals. Yembambeka. We come here, we don't talk about it. And I'm going to say, Kotoko training grounds, the one say, Ablo by, one year training, not a dugout. Justice Blay by, we training. Bassi by, or a dugout. Baba, I am bad training. Do you think that is all that we see there? We see more. But they also said there be way of sensitive information. Then we bring it out. Because more de yo bia na what that toughness say we are obu a we are because any mejai no so akoye foreign because foreign no be any asem. But yes, we need to develop the interest around the local league. Yanyama local league ni nya akono. During the transfer window, upama transfer window be. Now the akoye say o menyanti ese kotoko pe player bi wo club bi. Obi ba be jina kase why are you doing the story because we nya story ne pay attention akọ player no so. Attention co player no so anane boy thing. That same person during foreign news presentation Babe say I want more transfer news on Manchester United. But we have transfer news on Kotoka. Yes, you won't pay club ni. Munja is idea no. Na like I'm saying, ye mu be there. Nyame adom ade bi amekane say because I worked for Kotoko in the past. Ade ba ko ame untimi mfan beat me. Mental toughness. Ubetimi edimatem say dem emfa me ho. What I say because ube ye Kotoko adwuma as a PR, I'm telling you, in some abete o wasum no you be mentally tough. There will be more church comments that say no, mate no abre. Ya ti abre. But the bottom line is you will be a young journalist or tries to be dedicating a life to the local league, specifically Kotoko. So trying 1, 2, 3. Now when you say attack na, ube chai. Try be duru baby no. No more amouka fan sem na bana eketu ebi. More to more so mo pe papa na bana be eketu because obe kape e be di na tem. What do you say? Obe kape e be di na tem. Me on say we be tro and I saw be overhype Kotoko players na mesre. I laugh because I mate their chance when you pick a Kotoko player profile, me kai many Newton. You're talking about Abetamwa. Hey, I still have screenshots of some of the comments. People are like, na player or share 5 goals the whole season. And I'm not wanna must spend about 30 minutes talking about the player. We are profiling a Kotoko player. You create hype around him. Send your player no a bit me action call for cramo. People who don't even know the player. Can come say the hype player no. Abetamu buy our goals. Those same people did not see the need to say we are sorry. Say munya betrayal more research. Na mo hype player no. Yen ni muntini ya condemn mo. Many new to one we were talking about Kwame Poku's return. We were talking about the performance of Lord AMOAH. Patrick Esiedu. Hey, moboa. Any. Until media, you can keep the comments coming. I'm okay. But a young journalist, I'm not found call young boys. Because we are ope Kotoko no watu no wesi oba mo try no 1-2 obe jai bo se be kakra na news no munya biem Kotoko bo true democracy ene ye nyina ekọ Baba Sports Stadium and the last thing Kotoko bobo ye ntimi anko stadium be say hey why didn't you go to the stadium to watch the ball? I mean, the last time I call Amford to Liverpool ball, but I analyze Liverpool every day on radio. So I don't need to be at the Baba Sports Stadium to analyze Kotoko matches. Mohamed Kamara never started game no based on training. Now what you Kamara and a demo medical kase coach any Asari akasa that same ni ho. Daniel Ajete and a bebo right back. Ajete attacking player. Onim free kick ball. Minko di enti amisi onim free kick ball no. Or attacking player. Mekaise tama Kotoko sign no Charles Taylor. And ye extensive interview on Oyerepa on how quality a player he is. Oba we pra. Aba ase pra. And wasaba. Coach our confidence on him or maintaining for consistency all right and his duties is to attack the entire coach fano ahead of a center back all right one year said Coach Ogum wants his full backs to attack send ya Pep Guardiola per se ni keeper pass ball no. There's nothing wrong if I say based on the mehu Coach Ogum per se ni full backs attack it. On the traditional fullbacks, the the flying fullbacks. Left back, the man that deserves a blaster call up, Patrick Esiedu on the bubble left. He will fly, he will attack. Okwa, yenhwehwe mu kire say coach, the entire work omono recovery. He knows that they will attack, but he expects them to recover so fast. And again, he expects them so they should have proper movement intelligence. For instance, so a left back na kopa no akọ animo pa we right na gira center circle. Also enko kan menka samba any sefa we chire ho. Osu gina center circle ho na no a center circle na nimpe. Ti etefa so a you can quickly drop ma ba be 3 at the back. That blade so drop be can na F4. Na line na is stable. Na opponent and for counter be shamo. Justice in Cook Blay. And Andrews in team menu and ebo ewo eye Asante Kotoko. You can say in fin. In team menu takes over the midfield. Samuel TENADU goes to the bench. According to the Ekutayen. Baba Yaya Babs and a airball the number 10 position. And ra yanka yakachire mo say yebeto asa ankomo so ndafofro. Our investigations actually say Babs and airball number 10. Opeke knock kakra, but the good news is shemu chire say ne ho atono. To be timesi akanti onoba. Opeke knock on Saturday. Omoye training no duru baby na intogusuo kakra aba Babs na akwemu. Ba nyame adom hwemu kire se bibia okay. Ti Babs ebebo. On the wings to complete the conversation. Saka Dauda ejina eye Kwame Poku nchen pepe. Obi o money time and rebi ameka say there was a fear around Saka. Banyame adom boy ne fit. No ene bejina intenteno aho e de amakoma si Asante Kotoko. Nti wey any players maakoma aku du ba ako a omo be si akan e de amaklaba ye fed Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ewo ne match a ye krobia metema ebo against Clubber ye friend no true democracy. I know di free oba jade mamo. Nti it's going to be an attacking game from Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Energy pack pa. Cause company for who say mrantie no ma hoden no ankomu a omo ha adwen tie nya de a omo ba betutu ho energy energy level no osoro a omo nyina e de ba be hye game no na aboa ama bibia etimi akoyie na akọ wano e de ama all the teams tie no so de efiri oba je de mamo e wo yenkomodiem. So we are wishing Asante Kotoko all the best our today's encounter, so that at the end of the day, victory ebetimi the Porcupine Warriors. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.